Textur'd, I'm Princilla Asare, co-owner of Paba Cosmetics, and I'm here to give you 5 makeup tips to help take your makeup to the next level. Tip number 1, a clean face. Every good makeup routine starts with a clean face. You want to cleanse to remove any type of oil or dirt that's been deposited in your pores so that it can avoid any type of irritation, breakouts, or skin sensitivity. Paba Cosmetics' facial cleanser deep cleans without stripping your natural oil and moisture, and it also has shea butter and grapeseed oil in it. Tip number 2, finding a perfect color match. I always stress that it's so important to have your foundation match your skin. Let it look like a second skin, and then let every other part of your face be an accessory with colors. Your eyeshadow, your lips, and even a blush. Paba Cosmetics has 2 liquid foundation, our Perfect Finish liquid foundation that has SPF 15, and our HD foundation. Tip number 3. When applying your foundation, you want to do a stippling motion, which is also known as a patting motion, when applying the foundation onto your skin. This method of applying on your foundation is more effective if you use a buffer brush where you pump your foundation onto the brush and do a patting motion when applying the foundation onto your face. This specific technique allows your makeup to look more flawless. It doesn't look blotchy, doesn't leave any streaks, and allows you to have full coverage, especially if you have blemishes. This method is very effective by using Paba Cosmetics' J507 foundation brush. Number 4, don't be afraid of color. All colors on the color wheel complement your skin. It's just finding the right range in that specific color. All you need to do is find the right color in that color grid that complements you best. As you can see, I am rocking our Seductive lipstick, which is a beautiful red. I am now rocking our Entice lipstick, which is a beautiful purple. And right now I'm rocking our Princess liquid lipstick, which is a pink. As you can see, I am rocking 3 different bold colors that can be worn dressy or casual. Number 5, always clean your brushes. It's so important. There's a lot of bacteria that gets built up into the brushes, and imagine putting all of that bacteria back onto your face. Not a good thing. Paba Cosmetics' brush cleaner is quick drying and it deep cleans your brushes. All you need to do is spray your brush cleaner onto your brush, use a paper towel, and just wipe all the excess product onto the paper towel, and then you are ready to use your product. All Paba Cosmetics products are sulfate and paraben free. You can find it on our website, www.pabacosmetics.com, or in Paba stores. Take care. I can't wait to see you apply all of the makeup tips that I've taught you. Bye.